My name is Phuong from Vietnam State Steering Committee Office for Sustainable Forest Development and REPLUS Implementation. Um, I'm, I'm working as a safeguard officer and coordination of all safeguard activities at the national level as well as at the subnational level. Um, in the last year, we have submitted the first summary of information, and we have also put the safeguard information system in place, and that is the key thing that we want to share and learn in the workshop today. And what we want to learn from the other countries is how we approach the safeguard information system design, and how we develop as well as uh, uh, select the indicators in order to fit into the SIS. Because the indicators is very important for the country, relating to the data collection, relating to the budget, and also relating to who to do what in terms of we have the full package and we have the full database of the SIS to comply with the UNEP requirements.